Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this time we will talk about introduction to linked list. In this video, we will discuss about linked list definition, linked list visualization, advantages, disadvantages, application of linked list, type of linked list, and operation in linked list. Linked list is a series of connected nodes like this. We have the first node, second node, the third node. Linked list has a linear data structure. Each node of the linked list consists of two parts, data part and the link or the address part. Each node in the linked list stores a pointer to the next value of the linked list, and the last node contains a pointer to the null, meaning it has no pointing. Here are the advantages of linked list. Linked list allocates the memory dynamically. It means all the nodes of the linked list are non-contiguously stored in the memory. For example, like this, we have data that consists of these values. If we store it in an array, then the memory representation will look like this. All the data stored contiguously in the memory. It is very different with the linked list. With the same data stored in the memory, then memory representation will look like this. For example, our first data stored in the first place, then the next data may be stored in the fourth place. And how to connect from the first one to the next one is using pointer like this. So from here, we will be able to know that the first data is 13, the allocation in the first place, and the second data, the allocation is in the fourth place, like this. And then the following data, the allocation is in the sixth place, because this node store a pointer to the next value of the linked list. So in the linked list, the node can reside anywhere in the memory and link together to make a list. This achieves optimized utilization of space. List grows as per the program's demand and limited to the available memory space. And because of this, it doesn't need to be declared in advance. Here are disadvantages of linked list. In linked list, node occupies more memory than array. Each node of the linked list occupies two types of variable. For example, one is a simple variable and another one is the pointer variable. Traversal is not easy in the linked list. If we have to access an element in the linked list, for example, I want to access 20 in the linked list, which allocation is not in the first node. To be able to access this, then we need to traverse all the nodes before 20. So the time required to access a particular node is large. The next one, backtracking or reverse traversing is difficult in the linked list. It is easier in reverse traversing in double linked list. However, it requires more memory to store the back pointer. We can see the linked list application is in stack and queue implementation. With the help of a linked list, the polynomials can be represented, as well as we can perform the operation of the polynomial. Using linked list, we can implement tree and other various data structure. More implementation also in other various operations. Here are type of linked list: single linked list, circular linked list, double linked list, and circular double linked list. Here are the operation on linked list. Insertion, it is performed to add an element into the list. Deletion, it is performed to delete an operation from the list. Display, it is performed to display the elements of the list. And search, it is performed to search an element from the list using the given key. In different videos, we will discuss one by one type of the linked list as well as the programming. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching!